Drones have quickly become one of the most useful gadgets for photographers, hobbyists, and even casual travelers looking to capture stunning aerial shots. But not all drones are created equal. Some prioritize portability and ease of use, while others focus on professional-level cameras and advanced flight features. In this video, we're sharing the top 6 drones you can get today. We'll walk through their key features, what makes each one stand out, and what to keep in mind when choosing the right drone for your needs. Product links for everything we mentioned are included in the description below. Number 6. DJI Flip. If you're looking for a drone that's fun, compact, and easy to fly, the DJI Flip is a great place to start. This model is ideal for casual flyers, kids, or anyone who just wants a lightweight drone that can pull off a few tricks without much effort. One of the biggest highlights is its compact, foldable design. When folded, it fits easily into a small bag or even a large pocket, making it very convenient to carry around. Despite its small size, the DJI Flip is packed with personality. As its name suggests, it's capable of performing flips and rolls mid-air at the touch of a button, something beginners and younger pilots really enjoy. The camera is basic, designed more for casual photos and videos rather than professional-grade footage. It's good enough for capturing memories from above, but you shouldn't expect cinematic results here. The controls are very user-friendly with a simplified remote that even first-time users can pick up quickly. On the spec sheet, the DJI Flip offers a modest flight time of about 8 to 10 minutes per charge, a range of around 50 to 80 meters, and a standard-definition camera. These specs reflect its focus on fun rather than performance. There are some trade-offs to consider. The camera quality is limited compared to higher-end drones, and the short flight time means you'll want an extra battery or two if you plan to fly longer. Still, the DJI Flip earns its place on this list thanks to its affordability and the sheer fun it delivers. If you're not worried about professional footage and just want a playful drone to enjoy flying, this one checks the right boxes. Number 5. HoverAir X1 Pro. If your main goal is capturing selfies and smooth videos with almost no setup, the HoverAir X1 Pro is a smart choice. Designed for travelers, vloggers, and casual users who want a quick, intuitive way to stay in the frame, this little drone keeps things simple while still delivering solid results. The HoverAir X1 Pro is ultra-portable, folding down small enough to fit in a jacket pocket. It's lightweight, but the build feels sturdy enough to handle light outdoor breezes without drifting too much. This makes it a great companion whether you're at the park, beach, or even indoors. Propeller guards are built in, adding another layer of safety when flying in tighter spaces or around people. One of its standout features is the auto-follow mode, which keeps you centered in the frame as you walk, run, or ride. You don't need to constantly adjust the controls, just let it track you while you focus on the activity. On paper, it offers a flight time of about 9 to 11 minutes per charge, a maximum range of around 30 to 50 meters, and records smooth Full HD video. The camera quality is more than enough for social media content or casual videos, though it doesn't compete with high-end professional drones. The HoverAir X1 Pro shines because of its ease of use and portability, perfect for anyone who wants to shoot videos or take group selfies without the bulk of larger drones. There are a few limitations. The range is relatively short compared to more advanced models, and it can struggle in stronger winds due to its light weight. But for quick, hassle-free filming and impressive portability, it delivers exactly what it promises. Number 4. DJI Air3S. For intermediate users looking for a great mix of performance, features, and value, the DJI Air3S is a standout option. It offers much of the power and versatility of more expensive models without climbing into professional price territory. One of its most appealing features is the dual camera system. You get a wide-angle lens for sweeping landscapes and a 3x telephoto lens for tighter, more dramatic shots. This gives you creative flexibility without needing to land and swap equipment. Both cameras deliver excellent image quality, whether you're shooting high-resolution photos or crisp 4K videos. The DJI Air3S also comes equipped with obstacle sensing on all sides, which adds an extra layer of safety during flight. It can detect and avoid objects not just in front of it, but behind, above, and below as well, a feature often reserved for higher-end drones. Battery life is solid, allowing flights of around 40 to 46 minutes per charge, and the range can extend up to 10 to 12 kilometers under ideal conditions. Intelligent flight modes such as automated tracking and waypoint flying make it easy to capture complex shots without much manual control. Compared to the smaller Mini series, the Air3S is a bit heavier and bulkier, which may matter if you plan to travel light. However, the added power and advanced features more than make up for the extra size. If you want a drone that offers a great balance of portability, excellent camera performance, and safety features without going all in on a professional setup, the DJI Air3S is an excellent choice that hits a sweet spot for many users. Number 3. DJI Mavic 4 Pro for professionals who demand exceptional camera quality and advanced flight features. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a top-tier choice. This drone is built for those who need precise control, stunning visuals, and the kind of reliability you can count on in demanding conditions. At the heart of the Mavic 4 Pro is its large sensor camera, which captures incredible detail and dynamic range. The larger sensor not only improves sharpness and color accuracy, but also excels in low-light situations, making it suitable for both daylight and dusk shoots. Video resolution reaches up to 5.7K with impressive clarity, and still photos are nothing short of spectacular. Another key advantage is its extended flight time, with up to 45 to 50 minutes on a single battery under ideal conditions. The range is equally impressive, stretching as far as 15 kilometers, which gives you plenty of flexibility when shooting wide or remote locations. Safety is enhanced with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which means the drone detects obstacles from all directions: forward, backward, above, below, and to the sides. This is particularly important for complex flight paths or busy environments. Professional users also appreciate the advanced tracking and cinematic flight modes, which allow for smooth, creative movements with minimal manual input. The Mavic 4 Pro handles wind exceptionally well, staying stable even when conditions get challenging, which is another reason it's favored by experienced pilots. That said, this level of performance comes at a cost. The Mavic 4 Pro is heavier and more expensive than other options on this list. It also takes more planning and effort to carry and set up, which may not appeal to casual users. For those who need professional-grade results and robust performance, the Mavic 4 Pro stands out as a dependable and powerful tool. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K. If you're a beginner or a casual photographer looking for a drone that's easy on the wallet without giving up too much in quality, the DJI Mini 4K is a fantastic pick. It's designed to be accessible, lightweight, and capable enough to deliver beautiful footage for social media, family trips, or casual creative projects. Weighing in at under 249 grams, the Mini 4K avoids registration requirements in many regions, which is a big plus for those who don't want to deal with extra paperwork. Its compact size also makes it incredibly portable. You can slip it into a small bag and take it just about anywhere. Despite its small frame, the Mini 4K shoots crisp 4K video and captures still photos that look great for everyday use. The quality is more than enough for casual content creators and hobbyists who want to share their work online without needing professional-grade resolution. Another highlight is its battery life, which is surprisingly long for such a lightweight drone. You can expect around 30 to 35 minutes of flight time per charge, giving you plenty of opportunities to frame and capture your shots. The beginner-friendly controls and intuitive interface make it easy to fly, even if you've never piloted a drone before. On a spec sheet, it delivers solid performance at its price point, a good range for recreational flying, decent wind resistance, and reliable connectivity. There are some trade-offs, though. The camera, while impressive for casual use, doesn't offer the same level of sharpness or dynamic range as professional models, and it lacks advanced obstacle avoidance systems, so you'll need to be mindful of your surroundings while flying. Still, the DJI Mini 4K strikes an excellent balance of affordability, portability, and solid performance, making it an easy recommendation for most hobbyists. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. For those who want the very best lightweight drone that still offers professional-level features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro easily claims the top spot. It's designed for users who don't want to compromise on camera quality, flight performance, or safety, yet still need a drone that's compact and easy to carry. Like the Mini 4K, the Mini 4 Pro weighs under 249 grams, which keeps it exempt from registration requirements in many areas. But this model goes much further, packing in an advanced camera system and premium features rarely seen in such a small package. The camera is a major highlight here, capable of shooting stunning 4K video at high frame rates and delivering excellent performance even in low-light conditions. For photographers and videographers who need sharp, dynamic images without hauling a larger drone, the Mini 4 Pro delivers beautifully. One of the standout features is its full 360-degree obstacle detection, highly unusual for a drone of this size. Sensors on all sides help prevent collisions, giving you the confidence to fly in more challenging environments or closer to obstacles while filming intricate shots. Smart flight modes like Master Shots, Focus Track, and Point of Interest are built in, making it easy to execute complex cinematic movements automatically. Whether you're tracking a moving subject or circling a scenic landmark, these intelligent modes handle the hard work for you. In terms of specs, you get an impressive range, solid wind resistance, about 34 to 40 minutes of flight time, and a camera that rivals much larger drones. The main downside is its higher price compared to the Mini 4K. However, the added capabilities from its superior camera and full obstacle detection justify the investment for those who want top-tier performance in a tiny form factor. For its incredible balance of portability, power, and professional features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an outstanding choice. That wraps up our list of the top 6 drones, each offering something unique, whether you're a beginner, a casual flyer, or a professional photographer. Choose the one that best fits your needs, whether it's about fun, portability, or advanced camera performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Don't forget, product links are in the description below.